you're finding your audience and you're putting them into little groups and you're looking for certain people. Why does this help? Why is this important in content and why is this important in marketing?
It helps us to identify what types of content need to be put out to different types of people in order for them to interact with it.
That's right. Yeah. And in the marketing side of things, why is it important to know exactly who you're marketing to?
So that we're not essentially wasting our time.
Yeah. Not wasting our time and money talking to people that aren't interested. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is where relevance becomes more important than reach. So you can reach 1 million people, but if they're not interested in what you're talking about, it doesn't benefit you and you're wasting time and money trying to talk to them. Or you can create relevant content and market that to people that are interested and only need 1,000 people and have great interactions and ultimately be able to sell your services and products. Yeah. So you have to just remember relevance beats reach every time.